Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Clickworker. You're looking for a Clickworker review, or you're just doing some research, into it to see, if it's any good, see if you can make any money from it. So I'm going to get into that in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then just please take a second and just hit the subscribe button below and tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you won't miss out, you'll be notified. And I'm constantly doing that. I'm releasing videos that I think will going to help you. Anything I learn, any tips, any tricks, any sort of reviews I think will help you with your marketing. I'm putting a review out, I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit the subscribe button below. Alright, also you don't have to wait to the end of the video. If at any point you want to get access to my free 4-part affiliate marketing course, then there'll be a link below the video as well. You can click on that and you can get completely free access to that video marketing course. Alright, so Clickworker then. So let's go through it. What it is, it's like a micro worker site. It's like one of these sites. If you think about like remote tasks or Amazon Turks, or I reviewed one the other day as well called Spare 5. It's similar type things to that. So what you're going to do is little small jobs online. Things that are going to be, that take you quick. They're not going to be tasks that take forever. They're going to be quick tasks. Usually you can do them within an hour or less. And, they're going to be small little things. This is the site, it's Clickworker. You can use the site either as somebody who wants to use it to make money, or you can use it to get services done for you. Now, most people probably watching this, you're probably looking for a way to make some extra money. So that's probably where you're going to be using it, as a click worker rather than as a service user where you want someone to do services for you. I mean, I think if you're looking to do it the other way, then you would probably use another site like Fiverr. Fiverr is a similar structure to this, where you go on there, you find people to do little jobs for you, or if you have a talent, then you go on there and you try to get people to pay you to do the jobs, So this is the site. Now, one good thing, it's been around for a while. It's been around since 2015, sorry. So, it's trusted. Another good thing is with this one, with the one I reviewed the other day, Spare 5, that was more for the iOS platform, especially if you're using your phone. This one, it's on the iOS and the Android, and it's on your computer platform as well. So there's more ways to use this. So this is the site. Nice site. It's a trusted site. It's not scammy. They do pay out, so you don't have to worry about that. They do pay out the money. When you do register, this will be the page you'll be coming to. When you do register, they're going to ask you to fill out a little survey, and that's going to be a little thing that basically they know where where you are, your demographics. They know a little bit about your skills, because that's going to affect the amount of money you can make from these things. They give out jobs, but they give out jobs, I think more jobs to people that live in certain parts of the world, like in the US and in parts of Europe, a bit less to the other places. And also English speaking people will get access to some of the higher jobs, like the surveys and things like that. But you can register anywhere in the world. These will be the jobs you'll be doing. Let me just scroll down a little bit. So it'll be things like text creation, categorization, copy editing, little things, proofreading, research, surveys, like I was saying, mystery visits, or even some stuff offline as well. So maybe you'd go into stores and you'd give little reviews on that, app testing, photo capturing. So you can see little jobs. Most of them are going to be quite quick. They're going to be quite easy, and quick to make money. Like I was saying, the parts of the demographics that it covers the most will be the USA, I think. And then it'll be parts of Europe. So let's have a look if it shows it on here, the demographics. Yeah, here we go. So 46% are in North America, 30% are in Europe. You can see then the rest is Asia, 15%. Then now the little other places, Africa and India and other places like that. So, why is it so high in those places? Because it pays the most. They pay the most for those types of places, English speaking places like those. Now, can you make money from this? Yes, you can. And of the ones I mentioned, like Amazon Turks, Spare 5 and Remote Tasks, this one probably pays more than those ones. So actually, if you read the actual site, they say on average people make $9 an hour. So you might be thinking, well, that's good then. I might just do this as a way to make money consistently. The only thing is, you can't use this, I don't believe, as a consistent way to make money, because it depends on the jobs that come in. You know, it's going to have dry periods, and it's going to have periods where there's not a lot of work. They kind of let these tasks out. I know there's been more of it from when it first started. That was a really big problem, that people couldn't get enough work. They couldn't get enough tasks to make any money, or hardly anything. But now they're releasing more of the jobs, but it's just not a consistent way to make money. If you're going to look at this as, oh, okay, I'm going to make $9 an hour and I'll just keep doing this, there won't be enough tasks for you. And depending on where you live in the world, you may not even get enough to even get anything near $8, you know? And so I wouldn't rely on this as a major way to make money. This would be something that probably I'd just do on my phone every now and then, just to make a little bit extra change. Do you know what I mean? Not as a primary way to make money, do you know? But from what I've seen, what I've read, it's not scammy. Some of these that I've reviewed before, they don't even pay you out. These do pay you out. They've been around for a while, you know, and they do have jobs on there when you register. There'll be more jobs depending on where you live in the world, but there will be jobs on there. Do you know what I mean? And some of them you'll be able to do on your phone. So, you know, you can just do it on the go. So yeah, great little way to make a little bit of extra change if that's what you're looking to do. It's clickworker.com. If what you want, though, if what you're actually looking for is not necessarily to do this, but you're looking for a consistent way to make a bit of money online using something we call affiliate marketing, then that's what I can help you with, because I've been doing that. I've been affiliate marketing now for 10 years. I've been doing it. When I first started 10 years ago, I actually was doing really well, but I just didn't know it at the time, because in this industry, especially in this make money online type of industry, you hear so many different things. You hear this person's making 25,000 a day, this person's making 50,000 a day. So I was only making like 1,000 here and there, and I thought, well, I must be doing something wrong. So I went on this journey. I call it this shiny object journey, where I tried this, I tried MLM, I tried market, traffic strategies, I tried this, I tried solo ads, I tried it all. And at the time, I just thought, I'm just not doing this correctly. And it was just too confusing for me. So I stopped. I gave up. It was just too much for me. But I think that was the best time for me, because in that time that I gave up, I slowed everything down. But I still had the voice in my head telling me that I could do this. If somebody else can do it, I can do it as well. And then I was lucky enough to meet two mentors that taught me the essentials of marketing. They taught me about traffic. They taught me about turning traffic into leads and turning leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis, you know. So that's why now I've put together my own 4-part affiliate marketing course that teaches people the same things. It teaches people the basics to go from where they are now to a place where they're getting consistent leads and getting consistent sales, you know. So if that's something that might be of interest to you, then you can click the link below and you can get completely free access. It's a 4-part video marketing course. You get completely free access to that, you know. But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, any questions at all, then just leave it in the comments box below. Alright guys, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, take care. Speak to you soon. All the best.